Hello and welcome to Raleigh Vending. Today we're going to show you how to clean your bill acceptor. First of all, you need to unplug your machine. And then you remove the bill box like so, and you pull the bottom part of the bill acceptor to reveal the sensors. Here are the sensors. These sensors need to be cleaned from time to time. The way to clean those sensors is to get a household common cleaner like Windex and spray a clean rag with the Windex and gently wipe the sensors clean. This is a very simple thing to do once every 3 months or so. And then you put your bill box back. I hope that this information is useful to you, and thank you for watching.